GoPro has multiple models, extra features and accessories. I'm Lola, and in this video, I'll tell you what to keep in mind for when you're looking for the perfect GoPro to match your adventures. I'll walk you through the different models, types of image sensors, and image stabilization. Each GoPro model has its own unique properties, and it's important to choose the one that best fits what you want to film. Want to capture the highest image quality? Then the Hero 13 is the right choice for you. This camera has the best image stabilization. And moreover, with the Hero 13, you can use various optional lens filters, like a macro lens or a wide-angle lens, which is perfect for capturing your most beautiful moments. The Hero 13 also supports magnetic attachments. That makes it super easy and quick to swap out accessories. If you want the same image quality but don't need any extra features like magnetic mounts or attachable lenses, then the Hero 12 is a good option. The GoPro 11 Mini is small and compact, so you can easily mount it on your helmet, for example. Yeah, of course that's fun for a few adventurous shots. What is that? This camera doesn't have a screen. That means it's actually a bit harder to determine the precise framing of your shots. But you do in fact get razor-sharp 4K footage. If you want something small, the Hero is a good option. That model fits right in your pocket. It has a screen on the back, so you can easily frame your shots. The Hero doesn't have built-in image stabilization, but you can fix that afterward using the GoPro app. The image sensor is like the eye of your GoPro. The larger the sensor, the more light it captures. And that means your videos will look brighter and more detailed. We express the type of image sensor in inches. For example, there's the 119-inch sensor, which captures more light. That's how you get bright and detailed footage, even underwater. And you're recording in an 87 aspect ratio. That means you can create both horizontal and vertical crops, which is super useful if you want to share your adventures on YouTube or Instagram. And then there's the 123-inch image sensor. This sensor is found in the smaller models like the Hero and the 11 Mini. This sensor captures a bit less light. That means your footage in low light conditions will be slightly less bright. With a smaller 43 aspect ratio, you have fewer cropping options, so you'll need to get a bit more creative with your shots. It really depends on what matters most to you, more light and flexibility or simplicity and compactness. The better the image stabilization, the smoother your videos will look, especially if you're planning to capture a lot of action shots. For example, while mountain biking or motorcycling, this becomes a key feature. Hypersmooth is GoPro's own technology that helps reduce unwanted movements like shaking. It does this by slightly cropping the image. You've got several options. With Hypersmooth 4.0, you may notice some shaking in your footage, but the great thing is the images are stabilized in real time while filming. So you don't have to tweak your video afterward. Hypersmooth 5.0 delivers even smoother and more stable footage. And although you might still see some shaking during intense movement like on a bumpy trail, it's already a big improvement. And then there's Hypersmooth 6.0, the high-end version. With this, you'll hardly ever experience any shaking, even when the camera is moving a lot. All types of GoPros can be mounted to accessories. This way, you can bring your camera on adventures and capture great shots with a chest mount or helmet mount. Check out all GoPro accessories on our website. Whether you go for the Hero 13 with its high-end image quality or the compact Hero 11 Mini, we hope you're ready to capture all your adventures and create epic shots. Got any questions or want to share your adventures? Then drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and have fun with your new GoPro. See ya!